Welcome back, Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 1997 Toyota Avalon with the 3-liter motor. We are doing a alternator. Very simple for this vehicle. There is the old one. So first thing you want to do is disconnect your positive battery. Come over here, loosen up your belt. That bolt right there is a 12 millimeter. That's a bolt that you're gonna have to loosen up in order to turn this one up top here in order to loosen the belt. That bottom bolt will come all the way out for the replacement of the alternator. It's a 12. This right here is a 14. This will be a long one. This will come out as well. Underneath this cover right here is a 10, and this disconnector right here, and then take off your little strap piece right there, and then the whole alternator itself comes out. Now, new ones usually do not have the pins pushed in all the way for the installation. What I mean by pin is this. See this right here? So what I do is I put the bolt that goes through it all the way in so it comes out, and then use a hammer, hit it on this side, and push that pin in so that it's flush up against this bracket. Getting it back in here, it's going to make it so much easier if you do that. Push that pin in all the way and then reinstall everything the same way. This is literally a 15-20 minute job, no big issue. I use 12 millimeter ratchets, 12 millimeter wrenches, and 14 millimeter socket to take all that stuff off, and then a 10 for the power connector and the cable over there. Really simple job. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.